Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about how to become a web developer in 2020 and 21. If you are thinking about how to become a web developer, it can be hard to know where to start and what technologies I have to learn and what are the prerequisites to start my career as a web developer. First, let me tell you what exactly web developers do. So, web developers works with programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create websites and web applications. So, they will also most likely utilize other languages to set up email services, user authentication, databases, and other technical aspects of website. So to do this, developers use softwares like text editors, command line interfaces, and version control to build the technical information that will present the data. So you can choose either front end or back end developer. So depending on your interest. So let me tell you what are the technologies are scripting language, programming language available for front end side, and what are the programming language available for back end side. Let us discuss one by one. So let us first discuss how to become a front end developer. So what technologies are required to become a front end developer? The first one is HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS are the backbones of any website. HTML provides the structure while CSS provides the styles and helps them to look better and more visually appealing. There are three main pillars of web development, namely HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML and CSS provide structure and style of the website, but JavaScript makes them alive by adding interactiveness. Next one is TypeScript. Just like we have C and C++, TypeScript can be considered as JavaScript++. Though it is not as popular as C++, the good part of TypeScript is that it adds type safety in JavaScript code, which means you can catch nasty JavaScript type related errors in the development phase. The next one is Angular. So nowadays Angular is very popular. Most of the work is done by the framework like Angular, React.js or Vue.js. They not only provide a structure for storing your code but also make it easy to develop a web application in a quick time. The next one is React.js. Similar to Angular, React is also a very popular library for developing web application. It allows you to write reusable components that you can use to create modern looking interactive web pages. Like Angular is backed by Google, React is backed by Facebook, and hence quite popular. The last one is Vue.js. Vue or Vue.js had really picked up speed last year, and more people are recommending and using Vue.js. So now let us discuss about backend developer. So what are the technologies required for backend developer? So mainly they are focusing on Java. The primarily a Java developer who has learned web development and other programming language. Hence, when it comes to developing a backend, so I preferred choice is Java. So you can use core Java or Spring Boot to write a cutting edge high performance backend. The next one is another more popular programming language, Python. Python is another impressive language, so full of robust frameworks and libraries. So if you want to develop the backend using Python, then you can use Django, a full stack web development framework for Python programmers. The third one is Ruby. Ruby is another powerful language perfect for web development. It has got a great framework called Rails, which makes creating web application really easy and fast. And another popular one is a PHP. So forget about whatever native things people says about PHP. It is still the easiest way to write a server-side code, and many almost 50% of internet runs on PHP and MySQL stack. So that's all about how to become a web developer in 2020 and 21. So in the coming video, I will upload how to become a full stack web developer and what are the skills is required to become a full stack web developer. So please follow our YouTube channel, then I will update you every day. So like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share our videos. So thank you for watching.